Hi friends, and welcome back. My name is Daniela, and in today's tutorial I will be teaching you how to crochet this super cute mini cloud. It takes less than 15 minutes, it is fully no-sew, and you can use it as a keychain or as a charm for your bag. Tell me in the comments what other tutorials would you like, and let's start with this one. For this tutorial we will need white yarn. I'm using bulky Alice Softy Plus brand, a 4mm hook, 10mm safety eyes, a pink thread. I'm also using bulky yarn for this, stuffing for the plushie, scissors, sewing needle, and I highly recommend the use of stitch markers. We will start by making 5 single crochet into a magic ring. For round 2, we will make 5 increases. This means that at the end of the round, you should have 10 stitches. Don't forget to add your stitch marker in the first stitch. For round 3, we will single crochet around. This means that we will make 1 single crochet per stitch. So at the end of this round, you should still have 10 stitches. For round 4, we will make 2 single crochet, 5 single crochet, and 3 single crochet. You should end up this round with 15 stitches. For round 5, we will make 5 single crochet, 5 increase, and 5 single crochet. You should end up with 20 stitches. For the next 3 rounds, we will single crochet around. At the end, you should still have 20 stitches. For round 9, we will make 5 single crochet, 5 decrease, and 5 single crochet. You should end up with 15 stitches. And for the decreases, I like to use the invisible decrease. For round 10, we will make 2 single crochet, 5 decrease and 3 single crochet. You should end up with 10 stitches. Before we continue, we will add our safety eyes between rounds 9 and 8 and rounds 5 and 6. Try to align them with the magic ring. And we will start stuffing. For the next 2 rounds, we will single crochet a round. I will now add more stuffing, and to finish we will make 5 decreases. You can now cut the yarn and fasten off. I will now finish stuffing before closing. To close, we will insert our needle through the front loop only of each stitch. And pull. Now we just need to hide the remaining tail. Cut the excess and hide the end tail. You can leave your cloud as it is right now, but to make it more cute, I will add some cheeks with the pink thread. Insert your needle through the back and take it out as close to the eye as possible. Go 1 stitch to the side and take it out again close to the eye. And repeat 1 more time. Then go to the other side. Try to get as close as possible to the eye. And repeat. And in the last one, we will insert our needle again in the back. Now we just have to make a knot to secure everything. Cut the excess and hide the rest. And here is your finished cloud. And there you go. I hope you liked the tutorial. Remember that you can find the written pattern in my Instagram, or if you would like to get the PDF, you can join my Patreon. I'll leave the link in the description. Free members can also download the PDF. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because that will help me a lot to bring you more content like this one. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!